Hi, I'm Carrie Dupree with the Forsyth Humane Society, and today I'm here with Valerie and her little mascot Rambo. Valerie is the owner and founder of Luca B Natural Dog Toys, located right here in Winston-Salem, and today we're going to talk about a great partnership between our two businesses.
Hi, at Luca B we are all about safer dog toys. All our dog toys comply with the same safety standards as baby toys.
They're soft, squeaky, and made with 100% natural rubber by Lanco, a family-owned company in Barcelona that's been making them for almost 70 years. Each of our toys is handmade and hand-painted using natural dyes and lead-free paints. We are proud to be partnering with Forsyth Humane Society.
Right now, when you buy any product through our special online store, Luca B will donate a percentage of sales to Forsyth Humane Society to help us reach a 90% save rate for shelter dogs and cats by 2023. You can choose to have your dog toys delivered to your home through Amazon, and they'll donate 10% of sales. Or you can pick them up the next business day here at the Adoption Center on Country Club Road, and Luca B will donate 20% of sales to Forsyth Humane Society. So support your favorite local business
And your favorite charity
at the same time.